In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message or project update in Asana. First, open Asana and log in to your account. You can do this from the web, the desktop app, or mobile. If you use multiple workspaces or organizations, make sure you're in the right one before you proceed so your message reaches the correct audience. Once you're in, give the page a moment to load so your sidebar and inbox populate fully. Next, head to the Messages area or open the specific project where you want to communicate. You'll find messages in the left sidebar. This is great for general announcements or cross-project topics. If your message is tied to a particular initiative, open that project instead. Keeping communication close to the work makes it easier for teammates to find later. From there, click New Message to start a fresh conversation. Or if you're inside a project and want to summarize progress, choose the option to start a project update. A project update is ideal for status, highlights, blockers, and next steps, and it automatically notifies project members in a structured way. Now choose who should receive it. You can address individuals, an entire team, or all project members. Be deliberate here. Include only the people who need to know to avoid notification overload, but don't leave out key stakeholders. If you're working with sensitive information, double check the recipient list and the project's privacy settings before you continue. Write your message clearly. Lead with the purpose or the main ask, then add the necessary context. Use short paragraphs and straightforward language. If there are relevant resources, paste links with a brief description so readers know what they're opening. Attach files that support your point, like a spec, mockup, or spreadsheet, and keep file names descriptive. If it helps, reference specific tasks by pasting their URLs so teammates can jump directly to the work. Before sending, read it once more to ensure it's accurate, complete, and free of any private details that shouldn't be shared. When you're ready, send the message and then keep an eye on your inbox for replies. Your inbox shows new comments, reactions, and follow-ups in one place. You can open the thread to respond, add clarifications, or share an updated file. If a conversation is resolved, archive the notification to keep your inbox tidy. If it's important, consider pinning or saving the link for quick access later. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Messages or your project, start a new message or update, select the right recipients, write clearly with helpful links or files, and send. Then manage the conversation from your inbox.